I'm trying to film a video. My little baby elf, I love you very much, Popo. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Remy, also known as Mrs. Claus today. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am doing a video that I've been actually asked to do for 5 years or so, so many years. I've never done it, and I don't know, I was just really in the mood to do it this year. As we all know, I'm a big fan of doing what I got for Christmas videos. Those are one of my favorite videos ever to watch. But I thought an even better way to spread holiday cheer and just spread joy and kindness and love is by doing a what I gave for Christmas video. First off, might I say, this is in no way me trying to brag of this is how much money I can spend on my family and friends and things like that. I honestly just I love giving gifts. It is my favorite thing ever. Nothing gives me more joy than finding the perfect gift for someone. And I also feel I'm pretty good at remembering what I want to give people all year long, and then they're really surprised on Christmas of how did you remember this? It's my favorite thing ever, and it just makes me so happy. Also, just to let you know, not everybody in my life that I'm giving gifts to this year is going to be in this video. There's quite a few people that I'm exchanging gifts with after Christmas, so obviously I can't do that until later. So this video is just gonna have the people in my life that I was able to exchange gifts with beforehand. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for such an amazing year on this channel. If you guys did not know, I am doing Vlogmas over on my vlog channel, which is where I vlog every day up until Christmas. So if you want to see daily vlogs, check that out. Go subscribe to that channel, like this video if you like it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And let's get started. Alright guys, so starting off with my family, I am giving something to my parents this year that I am so incredibly excited about. If you guys have been following my family's journey for a little while, my family actually started redoing their whole house a couple years ago. Unfortunately, something kind of happened along the way and there were some halts put on the whole process, but things have gotten better and they've been able to move forward with all the remodeling and everything like that. And there's one thing left in their house that they haven't been able to finish yet, and so for Christmas this year, I wanted to give that to them, and that is putting carpet all up on the whole second floor of the house. After this, the entire house is done. They've remodeled the entire bottom floor, the kitchen, the outside of the house. It looks so good, and this was the last thing that they had to do, so I decided that this year I wanted to take care of that for them so they could just live in a nice finished house. And then I also got them some little gifts on the side just to open up. For my mom, I got her actually this blanket right here. It is my favorite blanket ever. It's from Barefoot Dreams. It's the YouTube blogger blanket that I've seen everybody get, but it's so soft, and my mom's favorite blanket ever is from Barefoot Dreams, so I wanted to get her a cute, new, and improved one. I got you something small to open though. Yeah, of course. Oh yeah, how's the carpet?
Great! No.
It's your favorite. It's your favorite brand though.
Oh,
yes,
you
know.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, this is so nice.
And then for my dad, he is a really big golfer, and my boyfriend actually is a big golfer as well, so I asked him, what the heck do I get? I don't know anything about golf. And he suggested this brand called G4 or something like that. He said they have some really cool golf merch and things like that, so I got him a new golf bag, which I think he's gonna really like. It's very hip and young and trendy. I hope he likes it. Either way, I like it, so we'll see. Why? Because it's bad or it's good?
Oh!
Golf bag.
Golf bag.
I like the quilted on the side. It looks fancy.
Oh, this is nice. Thank you.
For my aunt, I got my aunt this ring. I'm actually not wearing rings right now, but I have this ring that forever ago, she pulled off my finger and was like, this is so pretty. So after that, I noted it in my head, and then I went over to Swarovski and picked it up for her.
Oh my God, it's like one of those little Russian things.
Oh!
You remember?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. So I got her that ring, and then I also got her, she loves Hello Kitty. And ImpressionsVanity, one of my favorite companies ever, they make my glam mirrors that I have in my closet room. We'll talk about that in a minute, but they made a whole collection with Hello Kitty, and the mirrors are so good, so I got her a couple of those mirrors that she's gonna die over. They're so cute, such great quality, and then also Hello Kitty, you can't go wrong.
Whenever they open them, I'll go.
I saw Hello Kitty shape. It's so cute.
This one is a hand mirror. Wow. For my uncle, I got him a sweatshirt that my aunt told me to get him because he's really hard to buy for, so I just followed that link, got that for him. I don't even know. I think it was a soccer sweatshirt. Honestly, I really don't know. But the other gift that I got him that I am so excited about, and I saw them and it just screamed him, he's so into tech. He's so into everything in that realm. Bose came out with headphones, or they're not headphones, they're sunglasses with headphones built in. Eli and I tried them at Best Buy and they are so flippin' cool. You put the glasses on and then the headphone like speaker attachments are towards like the back of your ear, so you can't hear anyone. You look fly as hell. It's so cool and I think he's gonna really like them. Finishing up with my family, we have my brother and his girlfriend Aubrey. I actually got them tickets to go see Ariana Grande a couple weeks ago. They're huge fans of her, as am I, so I was so excited to get them those gifts. For Aubrey, I actually reached out to ImpressionsVanity, who I love so much. I just talked about them, and she's always wanted her own little glam room and like a little vanity thing. My brother reached out because he really wanted to build her one for Christmas, but he didn't know where to start. So I was like, wait, hold on, let me see if my friends over at ImpressionsVanity will send us one so we can like build her a whole vanity room. And they said yes, so thank you so much to them. I'm also gonna link them down below because they are incredible. And then once my parents put the carpet into their house, I'm going to go home and transform my old bedroom into a glam room for her with the vanity. She's gonna use my old desk. It's gonna be so cute. So I'll vlog all that for you guys, but I'm so excited for Aubrey because she's gonna feel like a princess. And then also for Shane, didn't know what to get him. I just had him text me what he wanted and he needed some stuff for his car, so I got him like a car jack and then some like wrenches and things. I don't know, boy stuff, but he's gonna be stoked for sure.
You got me both.
I got you too.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I thought you didn't know.
You got a lot of miles, so like.
Oh, thank you. I just
welcome.
told you about that too.
Okay, so that was my family. Moving on to some of my friends that I am able to film for you guys. First up, we have Alicia, my best friend, Loshi, my other half. I am so excited for her gift. Okay, so for her, on this channel, I did a video where I did the Christmas roulette, so I have a bunch of gifts to give to my friends already. Oh, I got something for my mom too in that video. What did I get her? Oh, I also got my mom a coat. Forgot about that till now. She's an avid video watcher. She knows.
It's my room.
Isn't it so you? And it's reversible, which is even more you. A 2-for-1 deal.
Oh, even better.
Because it's so cold.
Wow. This is like the Urban Outfitters.
It is Urban Outfitters.
Oh, okay.
So for Alicia, I got her some cute little stuff from Forever 21, which you guys already saw. Oh, I left the price tags on. Isn't it? And it's a full zip up, and I got you oversized.
She knows me so
She knows. And then I got her the best gift ever. Recently, a few months ago, we went to Japan. And if you didn't know, Japan is awesome, and every single toilet, like even the ones at the airport, every hotel, every toilet has a bidet on it. In case you don't know what a bidet is, it's like this little thing that goes on top of it that like, it's like very high tech. It's got like a heater on some of them. I got her like the top of the line one. It's got like a heater. It like sprays water to like clean your butt. It does like all these sorts of things. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a really big fan. It kind of freaks me out. But when we were leaving Japan, Alicia was so sad and almost cried because she enjoyed the bidets so much, and they're like awesome, very hygienic, very environmentally safe because you use less toilet paper. It's awesome. Anyways, it dawned on me, I need to get her one of these for Christmas because it's one of those things you're not gonna buy for yourself. So I got her the top of the line bidet. She's gonna lose her mind. It's like so funny, but also she's gonna use it every day. Close your eyes. Oh, wrong side. That's okay. It's fine. Just flip it around.
Normally I can guess, and I really
You're not gonna guess this one. Oh, I did a good wrapping job. Wow. Do you know what it is?
Is it a bidet?
Yes.
Oh my
So I want to give myself a pat on the back for remembering that one. Next up, we have Eli, which I feel like I did a pretty good job with. I know Eli loves streetwear so much. He always has like the coolest clothes. So I got him a bunch of really cool clothes from Urban Outfitters. Are you ready for your Christmas gifts? Yes. Daisy, are you ready for Uncle to open?
Ooh, I see a little bit of gray. Oh, this is a sweater? This is so sick.
A little sweatshirt moment. Wait, keep going through the bag though.
I love the texture.
This feels very scripted. I promise
I promise it's not. This is me. We got, oh.
It's a matching sweatsuit.
I don't have any matching sweats.
Dude, I've never seen you in one, but I think you could pull it off really well.
A creative director.
The sweatshirt from my creative director.
This is me, guys. If you don't know who I am, this is my bio.
A little pet vacuum, like cleaner thing for if his dog ever has accidents on the carpet, which anyone with a pet, you know, happens often. So it's like a handheld little vacuum to clean up stains.
So sick.
And then once you clean it up, he won't go there again.
No way.
Because it comes with like this formula that you mix with water. and then your carpet will be saved.
Yeah, Panda has a lot of Mexicans.
Oh.
This is so cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have one too, don't you? And then last but not least, I got him something that I know he would absolutely love so much. He is Off-White's biggest fan. Off-White, if you're watching this, please sponsor him. He is such a big fan, and I know he's never had a piece of apparel from Off-White, so I wanted to be the first to get him something from there. I found this really cool sweatshirt, so that's what I got him. If you don't like it, we can exchange it.
Oh, no, I'm sure I like it. What is this? Oh, I was just on the website the other day.
Do you have any clothing from them yet?
No, not apparel.
Oh, your first piece. What is it?
Oh, that's so sick. It's embroidered Off-White.
Moving on to my friend Bree. You guys know I love Bree so much. Going back to the Christmas roulette video, as you guys saw, I got her some things for her home. She just moved to a new apartment, so I wanted to get her some things that are kind of sentimental.
Paper is so cute.
Thank you.
With the unicorns.
I know, right? Very you.
Oh my god.
It smells so good. That's incense.
Good. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. No, honestly, are these candles?
Yeah.
Yes.
There's still,
Candles are
just
my
in case I didn't know which scent you
favorite.
wanted, so there's 3 to pick from.
Yay.
Bree is very into astrology, so I got her this really cute book called The Astrology of You and Me, which is really cute. You can like look through and see if you're like compatible with people and see like what you have in common and what you guys disagree on, things like that, and I thought she'd love it. Isn't it cute?
You know.
You don't have it, right?
No.
Okay, good.
Wait, what is this?
It's a book to like compare your compatibility with other people's signs and like things like if you're
Right now,
Isn't that so cute?
This is so cute.
Next up, we have my best friend Ollie, who he is so cute, and I pretty much only buy him black clothing for any gift, whether it's birthdays, whether it's Christmas, whatever. Like, all he wears is black, so I always just look. It's actually very easy. As you guys saw in that video, I got him a black Lululemon sweatshirt, and then I also got him this really cool black utility jacket from Urban Outfitters, which I just felt screamed him.
I wonder who this is from.
I wonder, Daisy May.
Oh, amazing.
I
Wait,
got
was
you.
this in the video?
Yes.
Oh, amazing.
Do you actually like it?
Yeah, it's cute.
Okay, good. It's a black
I don't
Lululemon
have
jacket.
like thermal hoodies.
It's like a really nice, yeah, it's a Lulu,
It's
like,
cute.
so you can wear it as like an everyday jacket or as active.
this like way more than you'd expect.
I think
Oh my
that
God.
it's just, it goes with everything.
This is so
Oh my
cute.
god, that is so
Isn't it so you?
Yeah, it's like very emo.
I like the
very
utility.
dark.
It's like a cool
Yeah.
utility jacket. And then last but not least for him, I got him this awesome book that is so flippin' cool. It's basically this giant coffee table book. He also recently moved, so I thought it'd be really cool apartment decor. But he's also a really big fan of Rihanna, and she just dropped this like massive book that is just beautifully done, and it's like a gorgeous piece, but also if you're a Rihanna stan, it's perfect for you. And I think he's gonna really like it.
I'm scared. This
Don't
is
be
funny.
scared. No.
This is heavy. Eek. I'm scared. Wait, is this the same thing she got? I literally have a Rihanna navy shirt from like 2007.
I know you love. Smile for mommy. Yay. Last but not least for this video, what I got my boyfriend Cal. So excited, you guys. Basically, I went online. This was like almost a year ago. I bought a bunch of stuff because I saw people were selling merch with my face on it, which I thought was really funny. I wanted to do a video a while ago of like buying my merch from other people or whatever. Never got around to doing it, and so it's been sitting in my closet forever, and then it dawned on me, I'm going to give it to my boyfriend for Christmas. There's like a mug, there is a duvet cover with my picture on it. There is so much random stuff that I thought was hilarious. Also, I must note, I know how narcissistic and like annoying this sounds, and I promise I'm like not that annoying girlfriend, I just think it's funny. So I'm gonna give him all that stuff. And action. Look at Daisy behind. I don't know, you'll have to find out.
This is amazing.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. Keep going, keep going. It's a sleeping shirt for you. A nightgown.
Oh my god, there's more. Oh my god. Is this
It's a pillowcase. Keep going.
There's more?
There's
Oh.
more, but wait. There's more.
Is this a skirt?
Oh, that's a skirt. I can wear that one. You have to drink out of that.
Oh my god. Is this a blanket?
It's a comforter for your bed.
Holy shit. I'm wearing this
And
Christmas
he
Day.
cleans. Wow. Then I saw a TikTok recently where you could go on Amazon and for $21.99 have someone in China custom make you. You know how like those bougie cars, when you open up the door, like a light projects on the ground, like Land Rover, Maserati, whatever. They have nice cars like that. So to take his car to the next level, I custom made him some of these special car lights, but I have them made with my face on them, so he'll never forget me.
Isn't he stepping on your face though when he gets out of the car?
He better hop over it. I love being a troll, you guys. I think it's the funniest thing ever, and I can't wait to give them to him. So, as a joke, I got the ones with my face made on them, but also he's like Young Thug's biggest fan. So I also got some Young Thug ones made just as a joke too. I feel like he'll actually keep the Young Thug ones in his car for real, and then the ones with my face he can project on his ceiling and dream of me every night. Okay, next one, ready?
I seriously have no idea what this. What?
You know the bougie cars that you open up and it
yeah.
projects a light? Now you can put this in your car, and I made you 2 custom ones, but hold for me to put in batteries, please.
So that's what you were talking about? And you're like, I got you something to put in your car.
Exactly. You take this thing, you put the sticky side, and then you stick it on the inside of your door, and then it'll project this onto the ground.
Oh my god.
I wasn't sure if you were gonna like that one, so I got you this one too.
Oh yeah, baby. Wow.
And then last but not least for him, as you guys saw in that roulette video, I got him a VR set for the PlayStation. He's been wanting a VR set forever. And on top of that, I get to play with it now, so I'm pretty stoked.
Holy shit.
I'm gonna have to bleep all this out.
You did not.
You're wearing the blanket.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
I just stopped recording and then all of a sudden he goes, I don't think I have a pillow.
I don't think I have a pillow
that fits this pillowcase. I was like, it was a joke. You don't have to use it. Oh my god.
I'm Lord of the Rings.
But yes, that is what I got a bunch of people in my life for Christmas this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know and I'll maybe make this an annual thing. Check out my vlog channel if you guys want to keep up with my Vlogmas, and I will see you guys in my next video for what I got for Christmas. Love you guys, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!